Welcome to my YouTube channel. The Real Queen Bee. Use this to color foundation hack to easily get contoured face and save a lot of time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for makeup tutorials and other entertainments, and hit the bell button to get notifications for my new posts. So let's get started. I have taken to color foundations from Makeup Revolution. One tone lighter than my skin tone. Another one tone darker than my skin tone. Placing the lighter one on the high points of my face. Now applying the darker concealer on the low points of my face, where I usually apply contour. I can already see my face is looking contoured without even applying concealer or contour. Now I am finishing rest of my face makeup, applying contour. Applying highlighter. Now applying translucent powder. Applying bronzer. Applying powdered highlighter. Applying lip liner. And finally, applying lipstick. This is how my effortless makeup looks like. By the way, if you want to know how I did this eye makeup, then please watch this video. on the top right corner of the screen. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.